Chapter 10, Motion and Measurement of Distances. Story of Transport. Today we have several means of transport: rickshaw, car, bus, train, aeroplane, etc. However, long ago none of these means of transport were available. People used to move only on foot. They carried goods either by themselves or with the help of animals. The idea of making boats must have occurred when people saw logs of wood floating on water. They also realized that a boat made in the shape of a fish could travel faster. The invention of the wheel brought about a revolution in transport. The design of the wheel was improved over thousands of years. Later, the animal power was replaced by the engine power. Some measurements. Let us work in a group and each of you use your handspan as a unit to measure the width of the desk. Record all the observation. We see that measurement means the comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity. This fixed quantity is called a unit. For example, the measurement or the width of the desk comes out to be 3 handspan. So the handspan is the unit. Are all the measurements done by either handspan or foot equal? We see that the measurement done by handspan or foot might vary. Therefore, some standard unit of measurement are needed which do not change from person to person. In ancient India, small length measurements were done by finger or fist. Many such body parts were used as a unit of length. However, everyone's body parts could be slightly different in size, which caused confusion, and hence the French created a standard unit of measurement called the metric system. Correct measurement of length. Hold the scale properly along the length of an object. Take the measurement from 0 mark. If the scale is broken, take the measurement from the next full mark and subtract the number from your reading to get the actual length. So if the scale is broken till 2 and you start from 3, so whatever the measurement you get, subtract 3 from that so that you get the actual length. The position of the eye should be exactly in front of the point of measurement. How to measure length of a curve. Name the curved line AB. Take a thread and put a knot on one end of the thread. Move a thread along a curved line till the point B and make the mark on the thread. Place the knot on point A of the curved line. Measure the length of the thread with a scale. So this is how we measure the length of the curve. Motion and its types. Motion is the change in position of an object with time, whereas during rest there is no position change with respect to the time. Different type of motions are rectilinear motion. It is a motion in a straight line. Example, soldiers marching in a straight line. Circular motion. When an object moves along a curved path. Periodic motion. Repetitive motion that repeats itself at regular intervals of time, like a pendulum. Rotational motion. A motion of an object where the object moves around an axis and its different parts move through different distances in a given time is called rotational motion. So these are the different types of motions.